What is container gardening on rooftops? Container gardening on rooftops involves growing plants in pots, planters or other vessels on elevated urban spaces. It's ideal for areas with limited ground space and allows you to cultivate vegetables, herbs, flowers or ornamentals in a controlled environment. Benefits include improved air quality, reduced urban heat island effects, and access to fresh produce. What is vertical gardening? Vertical gardening maximizes space by growing plants upward, using structures like trellises, wall-mounted planters, or hanging systems. It's perfect for balconies, patios or rooftops, offering pest resistance, efficient water use, and aesthetic appeal. Practical tips for success. Assess structural and environmental factors. Roof capacity. Ensure your roof can support the weight of containers, soil, and water. Lightweight materials like plastic or fiberglass are ideal. Sunlight and wind. Observe sun patterns, 6+ hours for most vegetables, and use wind-resistant plants, e.g. rosemary, lavender, or install windbreaks like trellises. Drainage. Use containers with drainage holes and elevate them to avoid waterlogging. Add perlite or gravel to soil for better aeration. Choose the right containers and plants. Containers. Opt for self-watering planters to conserve water, or repurpose items like gutters or soda bottles for vertical setups. Prioritize lightweight, durable materials for rooftops. Plants. Rooftops. Drought-tolerant succulents, e.g. sedum, compact veggies, lettuce, radishes, or pollinator-friendly flowers, Lantana salvia. Vertical gardens. Climbing plants, tomatoes, beans, trailing varieties, petunias, ivy or herbs, basil, thyme. Optimized soil and watering. Soil mix. Use a lightweight, nutrient-rich blend of potting soil, compost, and cocoa coir for moisture retention. Avoid garden soil, which compacts easily watering. Install drip irrigation for efficiency, or water early morning to reduce evaporation. Mulch to retain moisture. Vertical gardening techniques. Structures. Use trellises, pallets or modular vertical kits to grow upward. Hanging baskets or wall-mounted planters. Safe floor space. DIY ideas. Repurpose old gutters, shoe organizers or PVC pipes for creative low-cost systems. Sustainability in maintenance. Eco-friendly practices. Use native plants to support local wildlife. Collect rainwater or compost kitchen scraps for fertilizer maintenance. Prune regularly. Rotate containers for even sun exposure and check for pests. Sterilize parts annually to prevent disease. Inspiration for design. Aesthetic containers. Sleek, neutral tone parts or industrial sheet concrete planters. Blend functionality with style. Color and texture. Combine flowering annuals, marigolds, pansies with ornamental grasses or foliage plants for visual interest. By integrating these tips, you can transform underutilized spaces into thriving green havens, whether through rooftop containers or vertical systems. For more ideas, explore the cited sources for detailed guides and creative DIY projects.